Hi everyone, welcome back again. So in this video, we are going to talk about the joins in SQL. So what is join? So joins is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on some common fields or column between them. So let's say we have two tables, table 1 and table 2. Table 1 is containing the details of some employees, and table 2 has the details of departments. Okay, so basically table 1 is a employee table and table 2 is a department table. So in these two tables, what is the common between them? The department ID. So based on department ID, we can join these two tables and get some output. So basically there are two kinds of joins. So joins is of two types. One is inner join and second one is outer join. So in the inner join, basically it is the only single type. So in the inner join, we get the results of only those rows which are common in both the table. That is table 1 and this is table 2. So we will get the result which is common in both the table. And in outer join, there are three types of outer join. One is left join, or it is also known as left outer join. Okay, so left join. Second one is right join, and third one is full join, or we also called it as full outer join. So first one is left join or left outer join, second one is right join or right outer join, and third one is full join, or we also call it as full outer join. So in the left join, we will get output from which is common in both the tables plus the left table. So here left table is T1 and right table is T2. So we will get the result from the left table and the inner join part. Similarly, in the right join, we will get result from the inner join part and the right table. And in the full join, as the name suggests, we will get output from the inner join part, the left table, and the right table. So now let's see the working of joins with the help of these two tables. So first we will see how inner join works. So for the inner join, we will see what is the common between these two tables. So the department ID column is common between these two tables, and which rows are common. So if we take sets of department ID from table 1, so it is 1. So for table 1, we have set is 1, 2, and again 1, 3, and 5. 1, 2, 3, and 5. Okay. And for table 2, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what is common between these two tables? So in the inner join, as I have said earlier, whatever common between these, it will come in the result. So here dependent ID 1, 2, and 3 is common between these. So in the inner join part, only these three uh, records will be come. Okay. So now let's see. We perform inner join on these two tables to find department name of each employee. Okay. So if we perform inner join, so let's say first we have to copy this and paste it here. Okay. So for employee ID 1, the department ID is 1, and we have to find the department name for each employee. Okay. So here we are performing the inner join. So for department employee ID 1, the department ID is 1, and it is also present in table 2. So his department name will come here as IT. For employee ID 2, the department ID is 2 and it is also in table 2. So his department name is HR. For employee ID 3, again its department ID is 1, so it will search in this table, and here the department name will come as IT. Okay. Again, for the employee ID 4, the department ID is 3, and here also department ID 3 is present in table 2, so here accounts will be come. And for employee ID 5, again department ID is 1, so department name will be ID. And but here for employee ID 6, the department ID is 5, but department ID 5 is not present in table 2, so this record will not come inside the inner join. So only these part of record will be in the inner join. Okay, hope you have understood what I am trying to tell. So this is the result of inner join. Okay, now if we perform left join, so first we have seen the inner join. Now let's see the left join part. Okay, so in the left join, what I have said, the inner join part will become, and along with the inner join, along with inner join. So what is common between these two? 1, 2, and 3. And which table is in the left side? So table 1 is in the left side, and whatever left after the inner join, it will come inside the left table. Okay. So our in the final output, we will get the all the details of inner join plus the remaining part of which is in the left table. So if we perform left join, so this is the example of inner join. Now let's go for the left join. The inner join part will be come for sure. Okay, so these things will be in the output for sure. Okay, and along with this, here for employee ID 6, the it is not in the result, so we copy this, and this is the part of left table, so this will come. And along with this, so what is the department name for department ID 5? So it is not in the table 2, so here if it is not in the table 2, here null will come. Okay, so hope you have understood that for the left join, all the results from inner join plus uh, whatever left in the left table, or whatever is remain in the left table, so that will come in the left side. And for that result, since it is not in the right table, so for that the output will be null. Okay, similarly if we perform a right join, so in the right join also inner join part will be come for sure. Okay, inner join part is come for sure, so here is it a right join. So inner join part will come for sure. Along with that, we have here department ID 4 is not in table 2, but it will come in the table 1. So it will come in the right join part. So here management will come in the output, but for that we have no records in the left table, so for that here null will come. Okay, so hope you have understood what I am trying to say. So in the right join, all the records from inner join plus whatever remaining in the right table, it will come. And for that record, the left table will be, all the columns will be null. Okay, and for full outer join, it is the combination of right join plus left join and inner join. So the inner join part will become for sure. Here inner join comes, and the left join part. So the left join part is here, So this will be the result, and this is the right join part. So this will also in the output. So hope you have understood how different joins work in the SQL. So first we had seen the inner join, then left join. So inner join, whatever common in both the table will come. So for the left join, whatever common in both table, that means join plus the left part. For the right join, inner join plus the what is remaining in the right table. And for full outer join, it is inner join plus left join plus right join. So this is the theory part of joins in SQL. So in the next video, we will see one by one how to implement these different kind of joins in SQL practically. So hope you have understood how to use different kind of joins in SQL. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.